How to book an accessible room on Motel 6 using the ADA label. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, as it's written in the article of Motel 6, to book an accessible room, it may be booked on the website. If you need a roll-in shower, be sure to book an accessible room with a roll-in shower. And if you're not able to book the accessible room of your choice on the website, you can call the property directly to inquire about additional availability, as you will find numbers of the hotel everywhere. In the website, you can simply click on Contact Us and call them. Or you can also call them via the telephone number 614-601-4060 or mail them as well. And this is how to book an accessible room on Motel 6 using the ADA label. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.